How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Messenger app. And from here, click on your menu icon at the bottom right and go to tap on settings at the top. From here, scroll down to the very bottom and go to Account Center by tapping on See More in Account Center. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. From here, we are going to tap on Your Information and Permissions. And right here, we are going to tap on Export Your Information. And from here, tap on Create Export. Select the Facebook account that you want to recover deleted messages from and tap on Export to Device. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. From here, we tap on Customize Information, and since we only need to see the messages, we are going to tap on Clear All at the top right and check the checkbox that is in line with the messages. Scroll through and make sure that you clear everything else as well. And if you find anything related to messages, you can keep that checked, like this activity messages. Have that checked as well and clear everything else by tapping on Clear All. Now hit Save at the bottom, and from here you can also change the date range. So if you select more years, it will take longer to export. If you are looking for deleted messages that has been deleted recently, you can reduce the time range. So I'm just gonna hit Save at the bottom, and you can change the quality as well. And once you have done that, tap on Start Export. You will then have to re-enter your password. On Continue, and it will then prepare your information and file. Once it has notified you, you can go back to the Account Center, scroll down and go back to Your Information and Permissions and tap on Export Your Information again. Once you are notified that your file is ready, you should see it right on this page, and make sure that you tap on Download to have that file downloaded and tap on Download again. It will take you to the browser and tap on Download. Now make sure to keep on watching so you don't get confused at the end. Once it is done downloading, go to the download section on Safari by clicking on this arrow and tap on Downloads. Tap on the zip file that you just downloaded and it will redirect you to the Files app. Wait for it to be downloaded, and what we're going to do is to just tap on the zip file to have that extracted. You should then have this folder like this, and we are going to the Your Facebook Activity folder, and you should have the Messages folder. And let's go to the Inbox folder. It will then be organized according to the people that you have messaged. For example, this one, open up a folder with that certain person, and you can then scroll through the conversation, including the deleted messages on Messenger.